Hello friends, my name is C. Arun Tiwari and I think you might be aware that our firm is handling the compliances for your business. Today I am, you can say, forced to make this video um, because I think it's better idea to make a video and share with all people concerned than calling each and everybody separately and explaining the problem. See friends, today I'm going to share a very important fact about business with you. You know, in India, most of the new startups, maybe almost 70%, doesn't survive beyond third year. So within third year they close down. And you know what is the number one reason for that? The number one reason is complex compliances in India. The complex compliances means there is a tax filing return, then there is notices, then there is a audit, then is so much, you can say, which is very difficult for a small business or first time businessman to handle, to understand and to comply with. But friends, as a chartered accountant who actually deals on daily basis with all these compliances, I can say one more thing. While I can understand the compliances here are complex, they are costly, they are time consuming, but they are still doable. But what stop a small business meeting their compliances need is the mentality of the business owners, mentality of the entrepreneurs. Actually, they don't take compliances seriously till the time these non-compliances with the compliances become a serious matter. And friends, if I say why this is number one reason, I just share you a small example. See, generally when you start a business, either it's a proprietary business, a small private limited company or an LLP, you are one or two people to work and you have to handle all the stuff, start from sales to purchase to office management, everything. And I think for any startup the most priority is to make money, to conclude sales, to get deals, right? But compliances are also priority. So the mentality here is people, till the time they don't receive a notice, the compliance is not a problem, is actually it is not a priority. And what happens once you just go 2 and 3 years, your sales started growing and everything is fine, but you forget to file your return, you forget to focus that you have to maintain your accounting, you forget to focus that you have to maintain the supporting. And with the goodness of Indian bureaucracy system, Indian tax system, you receive notice for first year in the third year. So in the third year, when most of the paper is non-traceable, you don't have any accounting system, you don't have any data with you, you receive a notice stating that so and so year you have not filed your GST return. And now this is a real challenge. You approach your CA, but your CA is also helpless because he don't have any data. Anyhow, you collect some data and you just push that data to the CA and you just feel that CA will take care of everything. Friends, if your data, your accounting is not impeccable, no CA can help you. You feel like that it is the settlement can be done, but settlement is temporary, it's not permanent. And then slowly you feel that when you should more focus on your business, you are more focusing on handling the notices, running around the government offices, providing documents to your CA, and those all exercises are not leading to business growth. Basically, it's leading to only downward cycle of your business, and ultimately you get frustrated and you sign off from the business. So hold this you can exercise of not giving importance of accounting and compliance for the starting is beneficial for everybody except you. So if you don't maintain the data, government ends taking more tax from you, along with high rate of interest, along with late fees, along with penalty. Government officials end up getting bribes, kickbacks, and CA start getting lots of, you can say, work related to handling and replying to notices, filing appeals, which is all non-necessary, which doesn't generate anything, which only generate miserability for a small first-time business owners. But is there any solution? Yes friends, there are solutions, and that's why I think we started a project called AKD Max, and I hope you are part of that project. So in the first part, we have taken a batch of our clients and we're trying to implement the system where by just sending the pictures of your bills, of your cash vouchers, your purchase bills, we can create a complete professional level of accounting for you. And from on the base of that accounting, we can file your all returns, all compliances on time without fail. So you will saved from the, you can say, onerous task of maintaining accounts yourself or hiring a costly accountant for you. You are saved from a task of collecting data, collecting information. After 3 years, you have a backup of your data which can be used if you receive any notices in future. And I promise you, if you have proper data, nobody, I just say nobody in any department can touch you and ask you any kind of bribe, any kind of kickback. And nobody can ask you to pay the taxes which you should not be paying. So friends, but the biggest problem we are facing is the mentality of the business owners, because they are not taking it priority. So we have to literally chase for the documents, we have to literally chase for the information. Actually, we are creating all this system because it should work on automated basis. There are such an advanced system we are trying to build where most of the work will be done automatically in the future, but initially we have to build up, and for that we require your support, your cooperation. That because if you don't provide the data, no system in the world will work. And friends, if you feel once in a year you are going to just come with a whole bunch of data and papers and you're going to dump on somebody's head and they're going to make a proper accounting for you, forget about it. Accounting is something like a habit. It's like a daily walk. You have to do daily, then only you will stay healthy. If you're going to do once in a year, I think it's not going to work out. What we find to do in yearly, we just try to create a workaround. That workaround is not going to stand when you receive a notice, because there's not a proper system to doing that. And it's not me, any CA, if you're going to put once in a year all the bunch of that, they cannot prepare a proper accounting for you in the top of the rush season when there is 100 of clients they have to handle. Now friends, I can understand you are busy doing businesses. There may not be enough staff to help you. So what I can help say you can engage your family members into that, because if you think it doesn't take much time, what we are asking from you is just you have to take a picture of all the bills, all the invoices, all the cash voucher you are receiving in your hand. Before putting that into your file, just take a pic and send it to us, and we will take care of rest of that. What we are requesting from you, just to download your bank statement once in a month, put the narration and send it to us, and we'll take care of everything. If we are ready to move 10 steps, I think we can expect that you will just move 1 or 2 steps. And with that, we can create a system where your business will be sustainable, you will be winner. We will be doing more value-added services for you, instead of just making money out of, you can say, fruitless exercises of replying to notices and saving you from, you can say, understand from what. For that, just a bit of priority you need to make. Like every day you are taking priority of your business, and I'm telling you, in return you will not only receive you can say a good backup of all document. Apart from that, you will regain control of your business. I'm telling you, once you have a proper accounting system for you, it's just not used for meeting compliances. It can be used to understand your business, to focus on the area where your business needs the help, and so many other benefits are there. So if a small step gives you so many benefits, I don't think there is any reason to not to do that. So with this hope that you all will understand that until unless you will not provide us data on time without us chasing you, this project will not never become a, you can say, a success. And I just fear to say, if we are going to do 2 or 3 months more, if it is we are going to receive such a lukewarm response from the business owner, who are the most beneficial person in the whole exercise, then we have to close down. And trust me, you can blame me after that, after receiving notices that I have not done my work. You can take your business to an EC